Model, 60-plate Ford Transit 280 short wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive medium roof van TDCi 85ps body, white, panel van mileage, 93,460 MOT, 28 January 2024 engine, 2,198 cc TDCi 85ps DURATORQ-C transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,325. Click the link in the description for pictures.